We're back at TMacs in Walla Walla. Incredible dishes come hot out of the kitchen, made from the freshest local ingredients. After all, Walla Walla is known to have amazing, locally grown food.
Walla Walla has an abundance of beautiful produce here in the valley.
When you're using really fresh produce, you don't have to manipulate. It is what it is. It's beautiful on its own.
Walla Walla, like I said, it's a special community. We have a great art scene here. We have a great wine scene here. We have our culinary food program here is like no other. You don't have this in a lot of small towns between here and Seattle.
Tom Macaroni is the co-owner of TMacs. He believes that one reason the restaurant is so successful is that the entire region grows such amazing food.
We're always going to be a farming community. Whether it's the grapes for the wine, it's the wheat, whether it's the produce, it's always going to be a farming community.
Oh, the food is beautiful, right? It's fresh, it's colorful.
Tom and Jose have always managed to continually change the menu, whatever's in season, and really take advantage of what Walla Walla has to offer.
Back in the kitchen, co-owner and executive chef Jose Mesa is putting in the work to make sure his food is perfect from the field to the plate.
He meets with them and talks about, here's what I really need from you. They specifically are growing things for us. So what's your vision this year? What do you need from us? Anything we can get local, we get local. That's what we're all about.
Time to head to the kitchen to cook with executive chef Jose.
When we're in Walla Walla, we want to feature gorgeous onions, right?
That's what we're known for.
What are these? These are not very big.
Yeah, these is the beginning of the season. This is potentially will become the Walla Walla sweets. Spring onions, salad onions.
Yeah.
They're called salad onions because they're very commonly used in salad. They're a lot more milder, sweeter than the actual onions. Yeah, I just pulled them up 30 minutes ago.
That's awesome.
I was running around and I called my Custody Farms and I called him up this morning and he's like, I got you. So I drove down to College Place and picked them up with my own hands.
That's awesome. So these are fresh as fresh can be. I think that's one of the best smells ever is butter and onions.
While the onions begin to cook, we season the steak with salt and pepper.
I bet you love having so many fresh options available to you.
Oh wow, I love it.
Yeah.
This is what kind of what kept me here. I started working in the farm, so I know what it is to cultivate, to harvest all this stuff. So
we grill the steak medium rare. While it cooks, we flip the onions and add some pre-cooked fingerling potatoes and prosciutto-wrapped asparagus.
This is like my kind of meal.
We gotta get
steak, potatoes, onions.
Yeah, that's kind of what we're doing.
Yeah.
Once the steak is cooked, it's time to plate.
And I'm gonna let you put the steak right on
Oh,
top.
okay. Where am I putting it?
I always tell my kitchen center and tall. I love my food center and tall. There you go.
Okay. Let's center and tall.
Finally, we finish the plate with a special demi-glaze and pea shoots to garnish.
Gonna totally destroy this, but I want to eat it.
Did we get it to mid-rare medium?
Oh yeah, I think so. What do you think?
I
like
think
it. It's so good.
So it should melt in your mouth.
It does.
That's what I'm expecting out of the steak. We got the saltiness of the prosciutto, kind of give it a contrast on the sweet onion.
The onions are like butter.
You said what I wanted to, what I'm looking for.
Good. That's
Melts
good.
in your mouth like butter. Everything on this plate is all locally sourced with the exception of the steak, but the steak, it's still in Washington.
Yeah, you love that. Good stuff, huh?
I say so.
Yeah, it's delicious. Jose, thank you so much.
For more recipes, restaurants, farms, and fun, visit us at washingtongrown.com.